Time for some Monday birthdays here in the 4 states. We're going to begin with Juniper Liberty celebrating birthday number 4. Happy birthday, Juniper.
And over in Arcadia, Kansas, happy 9th birthday to Colt Duft.
And we've got Isaac Barton celebrating number 15 in Columbus. Happy birthday, Isaac.
And over in Girard, Kansas, happy 29th birthday to Shelby Johnson, whose birthday was on Saturday, but still nevertheless, happy birthday, Shelby.
And another belated birthday going out to Debbie Beasley in Altoona, celebrating number 57. Happy birthday, Debbie.
And this is a big one. Virgil Lepinaud turned 100 on Friday. Happy 100th birthday, Virgil.
All right, and we also have Blake and Lindsay Guffey celebrating their 8th anniversary. A happy anniversary to the Guffey family.
Lovely couple. And of course, Bob Kimmick over in Hepler, Kansas. Happy birthday to you, Bob.
And Patrick Haggerty celebrating a birthday in Frontenac. Happy birthday, Patrick.
Hey, Mike and Cheryl Reed just celebrated their 55th anniversary on Thursday, the 10th, over in Chinook, Kansas. That's a big one.
That is, and just down the way, Kenneth and Clara Whelan celebrating their 66th anniversary in St. Paul. Happy anniversary to the Whelans. What a great list. Some impressive celebrations on there, but there's a surprising lack of photos for these impressive celebrations. Caitlin, where do they need to send those to?
Well, you got to submit your birthday and anniversaries to be announced on our morning show to birthdays@KOAMnewsnow.com, and we love little messages and pictures, so please send those our way.
And of course, while you're visiting our website, you should take time to sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. You get great deals from local businesses. You also get a special birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. So head over to KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for that birthday club today.